Okay, this is a simple tutorial to register yourself on $1million.com website. So here you can change the language. You have Spanish, English, French, Dutch, Italian, and Portuguese. Okay, here you're going to put your username. For example, Peter66. Here you're going to tap a password. You have to have minimum 8 characters, a capital, a tiny one, a number, and a special character. So we have to confirm the password. Next, we have to put our name, your last name, your email, your social security, your WhatsApp number, and then you're going to click on next. You select your country, your city, and then you have to click on create account. Okay, now we have to go to the email. Okay, you have to look for the email. It arrived to spam. So I click on it. I click, isn't it a spam? And then I have on the principal box. So now I have to click here to verify my account. Okay. To continue on the register, I have to configure some questions because I have to protect my account. So let's start. I click on configure now. Configure now. The company sent a code on an email, so I have to go to my email. Here I have the code. I copy this code. I paste here. And I check and continue. Okay, now I have to select 6 questions. I click on this arrow. And I have several questions. So I have to select 6 questions. Now I have 6 questions, and then I have to put here down. I have the question and a space to write the answer. So let's start to write the answer. Okay, now I have all the answers of 6 questions. If I want, I can take a picture. I have also to note these questions. And then I have to click here, Generate Security Key. It's done. I click on Accept. And then I have another step. So I have to click here on these 3 lines. Then I go to Security. And I have to configure withdrawal PIN. So I'm going to erase this email and the previous email. And now I can go here. I configure withdrawal PIN, yes. So I click on Configure Now. And now I'm going to go to my email to copy the code. I got it. I return to my website. I paste the code and I check and continue. Okay, I have to write between 4 to 6 digits. So I have to write it in both boxes, and then I have to save PIN. Okay, I click on Accept, and the last step is to erase this one. Okay, I return to security. And now I have to configure two-factor authentication, 2FA. So I click on Enable 2FA. So I receive another code. I got it. I copy this code. I erase this email because this code is just for once. I paste the code here. I click on Check and Continue. Okay. So this one is very important, because if you don't save this picture, if you don't take a screenshot of your QR code and you lost this telephone, then you are going to have troubles because you are not going to be able to go to your account. So you have to save this picture on your drive, on your email. You have two ways. First, to scan this QR code with another telephone where you have the Google Authenticator, or you copy this code. As you can see here, you have a code with letters and numbers. And if you do it with the same telephone, you are going to choose this option. So you have to looking for here the Google Authenticator. You have a plus that you have to click on, and then you have the possibility to scan the QR code or to put the code. So here we are going to write the name of the application. So I put delete OMD account because this is just for an example. And I click on add. Okay, so I have to put this code. And I verify. So now I have all the security that I have to have for $1,000,000.com account. I have to click on this purple circle. Here I can complete my profile. I have to click on KYC verification. Here I can upload a profile photo. And if I have some troubles with the information that I put here, I can change it. Even if I want to change the password, I can do it here. And then I have to click on Save Changes.